Welcome back everyone to another video on this channel. This time we talk about what to do if your iPhone earphones are doing like random things, right? Now it depends on if you use the actual cable headphones, or perhaps you might be using the AirPods, right, to just connect to your device or whatever. But depending on that, you might do different things, right? In both situations, you want to make sure that you pay attention to the actual physical damage. And if there's anything wrong with them, then this likely is going to be the issue, right? So if you check out that the cable is tore apart in some cases, or you can see that there is something wrong with the actual earpiece or something, then you know that the problem is likely in the cable or in the actual connection, since the product might be damaged. So if you're using these cable headphones and check out that everything is fine, make sure to check out the port, whether you're using the USB-C, Lightning, or even the jack. If you have that still, then make sure to clean the port to pay attention to make it, like make the connection as clean as possible. Obviously, connect and reconnect. This also applies to the Bluetooth headphones, so you can easily just open up the Bluetooth section in here. And not only you can just disconnect the device, but you might as well, for example, just click on the I button and just forget this device and start from scratch. So every single thing is going to be removed, and then you can reconnect the headphones once again. Obviously, you might as well just check for any kind of issues. If you drop the headphones in the water, it's not going to be like visible, but you probably know that it's going to cause some damage, right? And also, when it comes to the software, what you need to do is to make sure you run the latest iOS version. It is always recommended to just get the latest one, as like new patches for bugs and other stuff are released with iOS updates. So make sure to get the latest one. But I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.